Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Just incredible here. I've got 18 powerful everyday tools with me. And no, it's not any of these, but it's right here in my wallet. The Wallet Ninja. You got your Phillips, flathead, virtually any sized household screw, including those teeny tiny ones and eyeglasses. 6-sized hex wrenches for a quick tighten, can opener for camping trips, bottle opener for barbecues, box opener, fruit peeler, letter opener. It has a centimeter ruler on one side. Flip it over, you got inches. Now watch. Slide any credit card into the slit, and now it's a stand for your smartphone. What? We just took all this and put it into this.